Did you notice that the world sentiment score just ticked up to plus 0.03, coupled with a momentum spike of the same magnitude? This isn't just noise, it's a distinct shift from the historical baseline. Typically, we see much flatter sentiment readings, so this spike indicates a notable surge in positive sentiment across 19 semantic clusters. What does our API return? A comprehensive overview that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and detailed semantic analyses, all in real time. Imagine integrating this data into your application to dynamically adjust your content strategies. You might find that certain topics resonate more with your audience right now, allowing you to capitalize on this positive momentum effectively. For more insights, check out pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness these shifts in sentiment together.